Hey, what's up? David here with another video. Today we're going to compare the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with the Note 10 Plus. The Note 10 Plus came out last year with a lot of upgrades, but there has been a lot of hype about the Note 20 Ultra that came out on August 21st. I'm going to go over the specs of each phone to compare, and you will decide whether to switch or not, or which one to get if you're getting either of them for the first time. Let's start with the size of both phones. Just by placing both phones next to each other, you can definitely see that the Note 20 Ultra is slightly larger than the Note 10 Plus. The Note 20 Ultra is 164.8 by 77.2 by 8.2 millimeters and it weighs 208 grams, while the Note 10 Plus is 162.3 by 77.2 by 7.9 millimeters and it weighs 196 grams. By holding the devices, you can feel the difference. Not only the Note 10 Plus is slimmer, it's lighter as well. Let's move on to the design. In terms of design, both phones have the same boxy look. As you can see, in the Note 10 Plus, the volume button and the power button are on the left. They move them to the right in the Note 20. The S Pen and the speaker are on the right in the Note 10 Plus. They move them to the left in the Note 20. As well as the mic that was on the left in the Note 10 Plus, it's moved to the right in the Note 20. The camera is totally different in the Note 20 Ultra. There is a huge bump. The difference is noticeable. And also, you can notice that the back of the Note 20 Ultra is matte finish compared to the glass in the back of the Note 10 Plus. It gives fingerprints, which makes it get dirty easily. And it's easier to break. If you are looking to upgrade based on a new design, no need to, because the changes are small. Both devices are IP68 water resistant. They can be submerged up to 1.5 meter for up to 30 minutes in clear water. Let's talk about the processor and storage. The Note 20 Ultra has a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor with 12 GB of RAM, and the base model comes with 128 GB of storage, with possibility of expansion. Since the Note 20 Ultra has a more powerful processor, it is faster than the Note 10 Plus. But the difference is not too big, so there's no need to upgrade. While the Note 10 Plus has a Snapdragon 855 with 12 GB of RAM, and the base model comes with 256 GB of storage. Regarding the display, the Note 10 Plus has a 6.8-inch AMOLED display, 3040 by 1440, 498 pixels per inch, 60 Hz, HDR10 Plus. The Note 20 has a 6.9-inch AMOLED display, 3088 by 1440, 496 pixels per inch, and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, HDR10 Plus. Regarding the quality, both phones stand out. You can definitely see that the image is crisp, whether video or photo. They show a lot of details. When I'm looking at a picture or watching a video on a Samsung device, I always thought Samsung put some automatic filters. It's just a way to tell you that the image quality is great. Talking about display, the Note 20 Ultra has an adaptive mode of 120 Hz refresh rate, making the motion smoother, while the Note 10 Plus has a 60 Hz refresh rate. The difference is not a reason to upgrade, but the Note 20 Ultra is very fast when scrolling. Software is basically the same on both devices. Note 10 Plus has One UI version 2.1 and Note 20 is running One UI version 2.5. Small difference. And Note 10 Plus will probably be able to upgrade. Let's talk briefly about the S Pen. When writing on a screen, it really feels way better than writing on a paper. Like if you are scratching the pen on a piece of paper. I think it's a good way to take notes, because people are so used to use a keyboard to text or to take notes on their smartphones. Since we use our smartphones a lot, we might as well take advantage of the S Pen to take notes. After writing your notes, you can either choose to convert your handwriting or to leave it as is. Now let's talk about the camera. Both phones have good cameras. The Note 20 Ultra has 3 cameras. First one is the main camera with a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with aperture 2.2 and a 13mm lens. Second one is a 108 megapixel wide angle camera with aperture 1.8 and a 26mm lens. Third one is a 12 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5 times optical zoom with an aperture of 3.0. And the front camera is a 10 megapixel with aperture 2.2 capable of shooting 4K 60p video. The Note 10 Plus has also 3 cameras. First one is the main camera with 16 megapixel. Second one is 12 megapixel ultra wide. And third one is a 12 megapixel telephoto 10 times zoom. Here you can see videos taken with both phones. There is not a big difference in terms of quality. Now let's talk about video stabilization. Both devices handle that very well. As you can see in the video, the difference is not too big. These two videos are shot with the Note 20 Ultra. The one on the left is without stabilization, and the one on the right is with stabilization. These two are shot with the Note 10 Plus. You can see a slight difference between stabilization on and stabilization off. The Note 20 Ultra comes with 45,000 mAh battery, while the Note 10 Plus comes with a 43,000 mAh battery. Since the Note 20 comes with 120 Hz refresh rate, I don't expect a huge difference between the two phones. Again, it depends on how you use your phone. Everybody uses their phone differently. Let's move on to security. Both phones offer the same security features: face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, and password. They are both fast in recognizing your face or your fingerprints. Let's check the price. Both devices are pricey. The Note 20 Ultra starts at $1299 and the Note 10 Plus can be found on Amazon for $639 renewed and $1,096 new. In my opinion, there's no need to upgrade to the Note 20 Ultra. Yes, it's faster, but the difference is insignificant. If you're someone who always wants to have the latest gadgets just to have them, you will definitely want to upgrade. But if you're someone who likes to have the gadgets worth the money, keep your Note 10 Plus if you have it. Or if you are planning on buying a Note, you can still go with the Note 10 Plus. The small changes in the Note 20 Ultra don't worth spending $1299 on it. That was my comparison about the Note 20 Ultra with the Note 10 Plus. Let me know what you think in the comment below. Please like, comment, share. If you find value to this video, hit subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.